What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, of course, and welcome to this new video here on Kaspa. Wanted to do a full update. It's been a while since I covered Kaspa. I have covered it a lot in the past, and I know quite a lot of you have followed me for my Kaspa content. Believe it or not, but I keep an eye on Kaspa, all right? Even though the last video I made on it was probably the middle of January, so a month ago. But I keep an eye on Kaspa, and what we have seen over the course of the last, this actually started earlier this week. Earlier this week, I already saw some interesting things going on. But now I wanted to do a full video on what's going on and what the possibilities are for Kaspa here, because you would not necessarily say it if you take a look at this chart. We're looking at the 3-day time frame here, a 3-day time frame chart here, so it's very zoomed out. You can see all the way back to November 23. But I wanted to show you this chart first of all to kind of show you where we are and what the possibilities are, because I do think there are a lot of possibilities, and hopefully we can actually see some more bullish momentum. I mean, the Kaspa community definitely deserves it. But no, I mean, over the course of today, we're up about 11% in a day. That's decent. It's definitely not the most that Kaspa has seen in one day, but it's a good increase. The volume is also up 15%. Which you might say, well, that's not that much, but it is, all right? The volume in the markets is actually down, I believe, on average, like 20-30%. So if the volume for Kaspa is up 15%, that's already much more than the markets. So that's great. There actually is some decent volume coming in. Probably also is some leverage coming in, but that's what we talk about a little bit later. Now, I could not necessarily find any fundamentals necessarily that I needed to talk about. Oh, no, I do need to talk about this. I did not see this. But no, I mean, Coinbase Advanced is adding support for Kaspa in perpetual futures. Great news. I think that's only part of the bullish momentum now, though. I actually do think that Kaspa, what you see is that the main support level we've had basically since the 18th of December 2023 is the support level right here between 10 and 11 cents, a little bit higher, like 11.15 cents. We actually, with the crash we had last week, Monday, we actually dropped down below that. So what I think what we're doing right now to get into the daily time frame, and so I think we're trying to reclaim that support level, which is amazing, all right? Because if we're able to successfully reclaim that support level, which we still have to see if we can actually do that, right? I mean, right now, it's quite early, and we cannot really make any assumptions of what can happen. You can see right here that there is some leverage coming in, but I would not say the leverage coming in right now for Kaspa is really that dangerous. It's not too much compared to the normal spot volume. But no, the big question is the most important level is this level right here, around 11 cents. Kaspa is going up there. That's what I expect. And then the big question is well, all right, will we be able to reclaim that level? Basically confirming that this is the support again between 10 and 11 cents. So that from there, we can actually get to some good price targets as well at 13.5 cents, potentially 15 cents right here. That's for later. Right now, the most important thing Kaspa has to do, if you want a bullish Kaspa at least, is breaking above 11 cents. So the big question is do I think that's most likely? And for me, the answer is yes. I think Kaspa, first of all, looking at the valuation, the market cap is quite high, but I don't think that much has changed. That the market cap was fine the 4th of November and the 26th of December, and not right now. All right. So basically, I think this was an unjustified negative imbalance. I think it's more likely we will actually reclaim and retake the support level. Now, I do think the markets are actually quite decent as well over the course of this morning. I think it is a possibility looking at the daily time frame here. I actually think this is most likely that we will find resistance at 11.2 cents first, then do some sort of a retest at 10 cents, and then later we'll be able to reclaim that and really settle it as support. And then from there, I'll keep you updated. From there, hopefully you move up into next resistance. So initially, I do think that resistance is to be expected. You can also see on the chart already how strong that level around just above 11 cents is. But I do think we will hold 10 cents as support. So holding 10 cents as support is just, then after that, it's just a matter of time before we'll be able to get another reclaim here and actually solidify this support. Those are my thoughts. That's what I expect for Kaspa. I will keep you updated on this, but for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.